guys, this is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Centteville ceiling fan here at one of my other friend's house here. Now this fan is a 52-inch. Now I have one of these at my house, except they're white and they're the 42-inch, and these are LED bulbs. These are some bulbs, they're LED, so they're very bright but not as hot. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm trying to make this video quick because I am flashing low battery. So there's the reverse switch. See? Now we're gonna, anyway, like I said, if you have it toward the right, the fan pulls air up, and if you have it to the left, it pulls air down. I am flashing low battery, so my camera might die or something. I'm doing this on my phone. My phone's at like 5-6%, something like that. But if it does, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna try to make this quick. Gonna make a video. I'm just gonna try to make this quick. So if my camera dies, I'm sorry. Oh, and by the way, that sound, that's another little fan right there, a little floor fan. But so that's what that sound is. So yeah, I'll just let y'all know. But anyway, that's low. Here's medium. Try to make this quick because I don't want my battery to die. And that is medium. Here's the top of it. See? That's medium. Alright. Here's high. I think that's as fast as it goes, but well, it feels good. Alright. Gonna go ahead and turn it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back off now. Go ahead and stop it. There it goes. Until then, put it back on low. Alright. Anyway, it's only on one control. That's to a closet light, and that's to the fan. Alright guys, there y'all go. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Until then, that's it. Peace.